All right, welcome to Success SK Marshall. What do we have for today? Let's get started.
A detailed view of SDLC. So in our previous videos, we've looked at SDLC overview, planning in SDLC, requirement analysis in SDLC, design and prototyping in SDLC, and so today we'll be looking at what is development in SDLC. Before we go deeper into this, if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep getting the latest updates and videos like this. So what is development in SDLC? Availability of artifacts. First and foremost, before you start developing, there must be availability of all the resources that you need, right? So development is also the coding phase in SDLC, where the developers actually started writing their codes such that they can use it to build the software system. This is what is called development in SDLC phase, right? So now, what are the documents that are needed? Like the functional requirement document must be available, right? So the prototype must be available. Prototype in this sense, we are talking about the UI, UX design, the wireframe, and every other things must be available. Machine, the local machine, the computer that will be used, the programming language, and the frameworks that will be used must be available, right? So there are other things that must be available for the developer or the development team before they can actually start this phase. All right, so the availability of every deployment artifact must be in place before they can write codes, right? The next thing is developers start writing codes, right, to implement the functional requirements. Okay, so in this phase, the functional requirements are being implemented. Don't forget, when we discuss the requirement analysis, we talk about creating the functional requirement document in such a way that the developers, the testers, can use these things in actually creating the software system, and for the testers to check against expectation against the actual result of the software system after they are being built, right? So now in this phase, the developer is going to implement the requirement such that they can be used in creating the software system. Also, in this phase, this coding and development phase, right, developers do unit testing. So in this phase, they do their unit testing after creating writing some now of codes, creating a feature or set of features or a particular module, right? The developer writes unit testing test cases or test scripts. Of course, in the case of using a tool like automation tool like Cypress or Selenium, developer do unit testing, all right, prior to deployment to testing environment. Okay, so this is done to confirm that okay, what the developer has done is actually working on his own hand before it deploys for the testing environment for testers to work on. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you do like this video, kindly subscribe, like, and share to keep getting the latest updates. See you in the next video.